Hola, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a video of how I wash my brushes using my favorite products from Sigma. If you would like to see how I wash my brushes, then just keep on watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit that little red button down below so you can be part of my familia de bellezas. And I also want to remind you guys to turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Now let's see how I wash my brushes. To start washing my brushes, I'm going to be using my Sigma Spot Express brush cleaning mat and also my solid brush cleanser. If you don't have the Sigma Spot Express brush cleaning mat, that's okay, because you can also just use your solid makeup brush cleanser to wash your brushes, and it's gonna leave your brushes really clean. I just decide to use my mat only because I feel like when I use my mat I use a lot less soap, but that's okay. You can always use both or just use one of them. I'm going to be dipping all my brushes in that bowl of water before I scrub them on my soap. I find that when I do this, I use a lot less water, and I want to conserve all my water that I can. So you'll also notice that I'm going to be turning off the water every single time I'm rinsing off my brushes. That way I'll use a lot less water. I'm also going to be showing you how I wash my 3D HD sponges or any beauty blender that you have. What I would do is that I dip my sponges in the water first. Then the next thing I do is I scrub them on the bar soap. And then after that, I also scrub them on my mat. But what I do is I scrub them on the side that's less abrasive. That way I don't ruin my sponges. And then I'll just be rinsing them off with the water. And as you can see, they come out really clean. That's why I like to do these steps. Lastly, I wanted to show you how I dry my brushes and shape them with my Sigma Dry and Shape Tower. This one holds 44 brushes, like 20 face brushes and 24 eye brushes, which I really love, because that way my brushes stay really nice and shaped and they don't lose their shape, because sometimes I hate it when my face brushes lose their shape. And you'll also be noticing that I am using a lot of my Sigma brushes, but I also put other brushes that are not from Sigma and they fit nicely. I did use some of my Morphe brushes to shape them in this dry and shape tower. And that was everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be leaving all the details in the description box below of everything I use. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you guys next time. Bye. Besitos. Mwah.